The time has come to finally reveal the Sierra RS500 full carbon project that you have been waiting for. Before we show you what's underneath this hood, let's talk a little bit about the manufacturing process. As many of you already know, the first thing we did was to remove the original panels of the Sierra to be able to make molds for the new ones. After the molding process was completed, we had to insert the fabrics in the quantity that was necessary to create a strong part. After the infusion, we had to trim the excess material of the raw extracted parts to be able to proceed to the pre-fitting phase. When the pre-fitting was completed, we had to restore and paint the whole chassis and then sand and clear coat all the parts to do the final fitting. And when I say final fitting, I mean all the exterior and interior panels of the car. So, it's time to reveal the car. The most challenging part of this project was the weaving pattern because it had to be symmetrical in all the parts. Let's go check the inside panels. All the interior panels, the footrest, the dashboard, the trunk cover, and the upholstery are custom-made by FRP Innovation. We are thrilled by your interest in this project. You loved it as much as we did, so stay tuned for more projects like this.